Oh yes, want to hide your belly and still look fabulous? Then listen on. This discourse has plenty of ideas and tips on how to stylishly cover up a tummy and still look gorgeous. Make sure to stay tuned to the end. Hello fashionistas, welcome to the first ever YouTube video of Turuglitz Couture. Make sure to subscribe, like, share this video and turn on post notification to know when next a new video pops up. My name is Joy, the creative director of a one-stop fashion brand, Turuglitz Couture, and today I'll be taking you through tips on how to dress and hide that belly of yours. Without further ado, let's get the video rolling. If you like, you can describe it as bulge, pots, protrusion, swell, or even spare tire, as the case may be. Whether it's a little or a lot, it's natural and it's a part of being female. This can be caused by many factors, such as childbirth. Hormones and hormonal changes can affect belly fat accumulation. After childbirth, it is natural that you will never remain the same. You have to add, especially below your waist area. Hereditary is yet another factor. You might be genetically predisposed to gain weight in your middle more than other parts of your body. Genetics. If you happen to have an apple-shaped, you tend to gain weight on your waist, even though the rest part of your body is skinny. That is weight gain. Natural aging. Many women notice an increase in belly fat as they age. You can do nothing about it. You can't help it. As you grow older, even if they aren't gaining weight, people often put on more belly fat when they become middle-aged. You can't argue that is the correct thing. Another reason is pre-menopause or menopause changes. It comes with very stubborn belly fat. We still have lack of exercise. Being allergic to exercise, like some of you, I am exempted because I exercise a lot. It's one reason why you must add weight underneath. Not eating right, of course. Most of us go on eating just anything, especially junk. You don't eat right. You eat when you're not meant to eat. You accumulate fat. And the fact remains that any kind of bulge can distort the look of your clothes and even affect the hemline. But no matter what the case or no matter the cause, a bulging belly is something many people want to reduce or cover up. At this point, there could be many reasons you might need clothes to hide belly at this point in your life. And it is important to know that you are. As a fashion designer with so many years of experience, I've had so many clients ask this question: how do I get clothes to make my belly less noticeable? This is one question I constantly get. Regardless of your reason, it is totally fine and understandable. But because we probably all want to know how to dress to hide belly fat at some point in our life, this is what prompted me to put together this post, to share with those of you who care about their midriffs and can relate with this topic. I know a lot of you can relate with this topic. If you are one and you understand what I'm talking about, or you feel it, you feel the pain, you want to dress classy, you want to be good, you want to look good, you want to be confident, then sit, let's talk. Dressing up classy and carrying it off well is what matters to make you look good and confident. But first, you need to get your basics right. Understand your problem areas and your strengths. Wear dresses that steer the attention away from your tummy. Choose what you want to make the center of attraction and dress accordingly. I bet you'll be classy. With that in mind, let's turn our attention to the types of outfits that are versatile with flattering styles. Because even if you want to hide the belly, you still need clothing with a shape and structure to come out good. If you wear something that is too big, first, they make you look like you are swimming in it. And secondly, it could leave people wondering if you are trying to hide something. Of course, you're trying to hide something, but it mustn't be obvious that you're hiding something. When looking for outfits to fit your body shape and conceal your tummy, here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Wear only what makes you feel good. You cannot afford to feel inferior because of your outfits. You cannot afford not to match up with your mates when you go out there. You must make yourself feel good by wearing outfits that enhances your confidence. Don't expose your tummy with clingy fabrics, anything that pulls tight. Most of us don't understand that aspect when we dress up. You have a bulgy tummy, yet you tighten it up. What do you expect? Sometimes people turn to look at you because they know you are just making ridicule of your God-given shape. Anything too big will make you look bigger, so wear the correct size to flatter. Keep hips visually as smooth as possible. It will conceal your tummy area. Accentuate your slimmest point carefully, usually below the bust, but not with gathers, because when you accentuate with gathers, it makes it look like you're pregnant, even when you are not. Avoid gathers directly beneath the bust, which suggests pregnancy. So please, in as much as you want to accentuate the slimmest points, do not add gathers, not to send the wrong signal. Another point is to avoid or considering your waist circumference, which is the measurement taken around the abdomen at the level of the umbilical, that is your belly button. You know where I'm talking about. We shall be discussing one amongst many designs that will serve our main purpose, which is to dress right. Hide the tummy and look absolutely gorgeous. Feel much more comfortable and less conscious about the midsection. We are talking about the peplum. Peplum is a short gathered, slightly flared strip of fabric attached at the waist of a woman's blouse. It could be a jacket, it could be a skirt, or even a dress. Peplums clinch at the narrow part of your upper waist and lift up as they train down to the belly button. Best for your curves. Ruffle tops shift the focus and conceal those buggles. It's all about the illusion and creating it the way you like it to be. Have you got full hips? No worries. Weirdly, the peplum actually attracts attention away from your hips and full bosoms if you have those two. Talking about the peplum, I play around this. In fact, it is my best. Even when you do not have hips, you've got no hips, it works great on you too, because the peplum gives the illusion of hips on your particular body type. Got a thick waistline? Then problem solved. The peplum is, in fact, it draws the eyes inwards and gives the illusion of a circled waist. Peplum pushes you into the spotlight in spite of your fears. Knowing you can handle it with authority, it is a bold style, and that is the beauty of it. I love peplums. I don't know about you. If you haven't tried it, please do. You can see yet another one. No matter how bulgy your tummy is, be sure to be confident, and you'll be heard. You'll be visible and classy. A peplum can be sewn horizontally or diagonally, and can be sleek and architectural, or loose and flowy. The peplum is so terribly in vogue right now. I believe I have convinced you to give the peplum trend a try this season. If so, will you let yourself experiment with a top, a skirt, a dress, or a jacket? Please go for the peplum. Why the craze? The young, the old, everybody is in for the peplum. Well, for starters, it is very flattering for different body types. If you have a boyish or athletic build, it is perfect for you. It's going to give you that illusion of having curves. For those who already possess a curvy stature, this trend was made for you as well. Again, it places an emphasis on the curves and highlights the idea of a small waist. Go for the peplum. In fact, if I get up, you will understand what I'm saying. Peplums are quite a lot in my wardrobe. Please, if you love this video, if you love this discourse, if you love what we have talked about, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click on your post notifications, because we have a lot to offer, so that when my video pops up, you'll be one and the very first to receive. Thank you very much. My name remains Joy. Thank you. I love you.